Hello, friends of Figma Hyderabad. This is Mayank. When I first came to Hyderabad, I attended the first event by Friends of Figma, where I really got to understand how the community works and how the value is being presented. To understand how Friends of Figma Hyderabad works, and wanted to know more about how these events are organized. As in the past as well, I have worked for a few of the events. I have organized few events, so I reached out to the leaders who were Prashant and Harsh. I wanted to understand how it actually works in the background. So I started with that, being a co-organizer and supporting the team. And here I am. I understood that people are respecting what we are actually trying to do. But they are appreciating our work, and we always try to bring value to the community and bring what really is needed for the people right now. What sort of trending things we are bringing, and we always take feedback from people what you like and what you not. Based on that, we create the events, the initiatives we call it, and we also saw that people are feeling more belong to us, and I feel that is what makes us different. The one thing I have understood that when you understand what people need and you try to solve the problem as understanding their needs, they trust you. That is what makes us different. The Figma Hyderabad community, we don't want to just bring events out. We want to create a value, and we want you, our community to succeed. We want our community to trust us and gain most of the value from this community.
Coming to the impact, change, and structure. So we heard on chapter one what Harsh mentioned, right? How he started the journey with Friends of Figma since 2021 to now, how it has been. So I'll be talking about the impact, change, and how we created a structure upon this community. So let's get started. Uh, First of all, when we started, we named events as initiatives. We don't want to be just an events. It's events. What we are trying to provide to the community, the value we are providing through this community. So we started moving ahead, and we gave career direction to the people, then real collaboration, and people felt confident with the community and getting involved with the initiatives. Then signals of impact, like what all impacts we created. There was a engagement, good engagement and participation from everyone, from the team, and from everyone who has been a part of Friends of Figma Hyderabad from a very long time, and uh, people coming in from different domains as well, from engineering, product, and a lot of different domains, and attention from the leadership. The leadership team also started joining in, not as a speaker, but to listen what we are actually trying to do, what value we are trying to provide for the community. Then it was it had been a while that we did not pause and we did not listen. Like we thought that everything is just going smooth, but we thought that we should pause a bit and take honest feedback from the community, and to learn before we move forward again. And this is the town hall itself is one of the result of this, that we paused and listened to everyone. We took feedback from everyone, we for the better value alignment. So there were a lot of feedback that went in. It was positive, it was negative, lot of it and one negative feedback was that you should give better food as well. So we worked on that as well. We are working on it now. So a lot of feedbacks came in, and so we got to know that what is working right now. People are learning and growing with the community, building meaningful connections, and the environment is becoming more supportive. People are coming for networking, and yeah, the intent behind what we wanted to achieve with Friends of Figma Hyderabad, we started getting it. But there were a lot of things which were not working. So there were a lot of so the people come here, they are giving their time. They want something valuable, something fruitful, and they trust on us to get those. And so the things which were not working was the inclusiveness of all the um, for everyone. And there were communication gaps, like people were not able to understand like when the plan, what is going to happen next month maybe, or in past months what happened. So that communication gap was there, and then inconsistent access. People complained about how are you giving access to people, how are you actually selecting those people and calling them for offline events. So that and lack of continuity from our side, we did not had a plan earlier that we should do something in this way, and on this month something or the other thing happens. At the last time, might be the venue is not finalized or something. All these different logistic issues will happen. So we why this feedback mattered. So we wanted to create experience over intent, what we intended to do, and what experience we wanted to provide. There was a gap. And we went back, we understood there is a trust and commitment part which is playing a big role over here. And we reflected back on that. So now coming to the structure. The structure became very necessary for fair access, for building the community and scale it without any burnout. There were very few people who were helping us to making the events successful, and it was becoming exhausting. So we wanted to give a clear ownership to people who really care about the community, and define the responsibilities to make it more sustainable, and share the accountability among everyone. So we created a team of contributors. The contributors, we call them community builders. And I want to invite all the community builders on stage right now, who has helped us like from the past year to now, everything they have helped us to do. Thank you so much, all of you. So communities are important, impact is necessary. And to take this impact further, we'll bring something new to the table, which you'll hear about in the next chapter from Prashant.